Arjun was born in which varna? Kshatriya. Okay. Then according to his varna, his occupational duty as a warrior is to fight and defend dharma. That is what he is born to do. That is what he is best doing. That is what he is an expert at. If he does not fight this war, he will not be doing his duty. He will not be doing his responsibility. So for a Kshatriya, a dharma yudh, a battle for dharma, to uphold dharma, is considered a very honorable duty. And there is nothing higher for them than to fight the yudh of dharma. So, in our body also, there is one dharma yudh going on. Taking it in a very biological level also. Forget about thoughts and all those things are there. We have white blood cells in the body. What is the dharma of white blood cell? To protect. Kshatriya is like that white blood cell. It has to fight against the infections, has to fight against the germs. If it says, oh, I don't want to fight, white blood cell will say, I don't want to fight. I want to just get moksha. You say, no, you cannot do that. It is not your dharma. Okay? Similarly, in society, in a country, if there are evil forces which are threatening dharma, then it is up to every individual to make sure that that is stopped.
Can there be a stage when you know you are the soul and you're still by your senses, like together? Like sometimes you
Yes, if you know intellectually, but you haven't yet managed to master your senses, because it's a question of mastering your senses, you are still halfway. Yes, you know intellectually there is Atma, you know intellectually I am that Brahma, but you haven't yet done the abhyas. You have not done the mastering techniques. You have not done the training of controlling the senses. Your senses are still controlling you. It's possible. And it is a process. It is a process. And let me tell you, it takes quite long. But if you do it with understanding, it can happen like that. And what is the one previous condition which needs to be fulfilled for it to happen like that? Anyone?
Awareness.
One thing has to happen and it can happen like this.
Intelligence.
Courage, meditation. Goal must be absolutely fixed. Nishtha. You must not waver, have even one doubt about your goal. If you have that goal fixed, pakka, it can be a very easy transformation. Very easy. But the goal is still not fixed very firmly. It's strong, but it has to be single pointed. It has to be single pointed. Then it can happen like this. Not single pointed, don't worry, it will happen. Still it will happen, but it won't happen like this. It will happen dheere se. That's also okay. No problem. So here, basically, Bhagwan Krishna is reminding Arjun, you are born a Kshatriya, your gunas are there of a Kshatriya, you are an excellent warrior, you have proved yourself to be an excellent warrior also earlier. Right now, your duty is to protect your country, your kingdom, your dharma, and fight against, what is his enemy? Moh. Right now, his enemy is Moh. Moha means what? His attachment to his relations. So we are in the process of convincing Arjun, and through Arjun we have to convince ourselves also. See who is your enemy inside, whether it is Kam, whether it is Krodh, whether it is Moh. Whatever is your enemy inside, it is your dharma. If your goal is to become even a most best person, and after being the most best person, the next step is transcending human to become divine. Can we do at least one more verse?